Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to discuss the pricing component of cloud workflows, which means when we are using this particular service, how Google Cloud is going to charge us on what basis. And we know cloud workflow is a serverless service, which means we don't need to manage the infrastructure. So cloud workflow pricing is calculated on monthly basis based on the number of workflow steps executed. So everything is based on the workflows, like how many steps you are going to execute, whatever the services we are going to call through cloud workflows. Basically, if you are using cloud runs, cloud functions, BigQuery or cloud storage, Bigtable, so based on that, we'll be charged. So how long we are using that particular function and what is the data it is calling and what is the region where it is located. So based on all the details, we'll be charged when using cloud workflows. And cloud workflows also follows pay per use, which means whenever you're using this particular service, that time only you will be charged. Apart from that, you will be not charged. Pay nothing if your cloud workflow doesn't run. And there are certain criteria based on this only we will be charged when using cloud workflows. The first one is any step that executes successfully inside cloud workflows. Based on that, even if it is failure, that is any step that fails during execution in cloud workflows, and if there is any possibility of retry, if you have included retry mechanism in your cloud workflows execution steps, and if your retry mechanism is called, so basically based on that also will be charged. Apart from this, cloud workflows by Google Cloud also has some free trial. For example, for internal execution, we have 5000 steps free trial, and also for external execution, we have 2000 steps. So this is all about the pricing component of cloud workflows. And by this, we are coming to the conclusion of this particular video. If you have any questions, please post that in the comment section. I'll try to look into it and reply to it as soon as possible. Please do like, comment, share, and subscribe to Cloud and AI Analytics. Happy learning.